What's going on, guys? New Way Finance Academy here. And I'm all about building wealth and securing your financial future. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency, but we're not talking about picking the next Bitcoin. We're talking about something even more fundamental, something that can make or break your crypto journey, crypto wallets. You see, most people jump into crypto without truly understanding how to keep their investments safe. Imagine buying a fancy new car and leaving the keys in the ignition while it's parked on a busy street. Don't be that person. Think of a crypto wallet like your digital piggy bank, but instead of storing dusty old coins, it holds the keys to your digital fortune. These wallets don't actually store your crypto directly. Instead, they hold something far more important, your private keys. These keys are like your secret PIN code, giving you access to your crypto holdings on the blockchain. Now you might be thinking, keys? Blockchain? This sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. Once you understand the basics, you'll be way ahead of the pack, and that's what we're here to do today, to equip you with the knowledge to navigate the crypto world like a pro. Alright, so we've got the basics down, but here's where things get interesting. In the world of crypto wallets, there are two main contenders, hot wallets and cold wallets. Think of hot wallets like your everyday wallet. Convenient for daily transactions, but maybe not the best place to store your life savings. These wallets are connected to the internet, making them easily accessible for quick purchases or trades. They're like your go-to credit card for online shopping. But remember, convenience often comes with a trade-off, in this case, security. Alright guys, let's talk about security because in the crypto world, protecting your assets is everything. Imagine you've got a vault filled with gold bars. You wouldn't just leave it unlocked, right? You'd want the best security money can buy. Well, your crypto assets are no different. They need to be protected with the highest level of security available. You wouldn't believe how many people skip this crucial step, but you, my friend, you're not going to be one of them. Skipping on security is like leaving your front door wide open and hoping no one walks in. It's just not smart. And in the digital world, the stakes are even higher because cybercriminals are always on the lookout for easy targets. We're talking about two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. This isn't just some fancy tech jargon. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make a world of difference in your security setup. Think of it as an extra lock on your door, one that only you have the key to. 2FA is like having a bodyguard for your crypto. Picture having a personal security guard who checks the ID of anyone trying to access your assets. That's what 2FA does. It ensures that even if someone gets past your first line of defense, they still have to deal with another layer of security. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a unique code from your phone. This code is usually generated by an app like Google Authenticator or sent to you via SMS. It's a one-time code that changes every 30 seconds or so, making it incredibly difficult for anyone else to guess. So even if someone gets their hands on your password, they still can't access your precious crypto without that second code. This is crucial because passwords can be stolen, guessed, or even leaked in data breaches. But with 2FA, the hacker would need physical access to your phone as well, which is much harder to achieve. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Ma'am, isn't that an extra step? Yes, it is an extra step, but it's a step that can save you from a world of trouble. Think of it as putting on a seatbelt. It takes a second, but it can save your life. In the same way, enabling 2FA takes a few moments but can save your assets from being stolen. Yes, it is, but trust me, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Knowing that your assets are secure allows you to focus on other important things, like growing your portfolio or learning more about the crypto market. It's a small investment of time for a huge return in security. We're talking about your hard-earned money here. You've worked hard to build your crypto portfolio, and it deserves the best protection. Losing all your assets because you skipped a simple security step is not worth the risk. Protecting your investments should be your top priority. Enabling 2FA takes just a few minutes, and most wallets offer it. Don't be lazy, guys. Secure your future. It's a straightforward process that involves going into your wallet settings and following a few simple steps. Most platforms guide you through it, making it easy even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Remember, in the world of crypto, security is non-negotiable. You wouldn't leave your house without locking the door, so why would you leave your digital assets unprotected? The crypto world is full of opportunities, but it's also full of risks. Being proactive about security is the best way to ensure you can enjoy the benefits without falling victim to the dangers. You've got to be smarter than the scammers out there, and 2FA is your secret weapon. Scammers are getting more sophisticated every day, but with 2FA, you have a powerful tool to keep them at bay. It's like having a secret weapon that only you know about, giving you an edge in the ongoing battle for security. So go into your wallet settings right now and enable it. I'll wait. Seriously, pause this video, go do it, and come back. You'll thank me later. Taking this small step today can save you from a lot of headaches in the future. So go ahead, secure your assets, and sleep better, knowing you've taken a crucial step in protecting your investments. Alright guys, let's talk about a security feature so powerful that it'll make Fort Knox look like a cardboard box. We're talking about multi-signature wallets, or multi-sig wallets for short. Think of a multi-sig wallet like a vault with multiple locks. To open it, you need more than one key, right? Well, a multi-sig wallet works in the same way. Instead of just one private key, you have multiple keys that are required to authorize a transaction. Now you might be wondering, ma'am, why would I need multiple keys? Isn't one enough? Well, here's the thing. Multi-sig wallets add an extra layer of security that's practically impenetrable. Even if one key is compromised, your funds are still safe. It's like having a team of bodyguards protecting your crypto 24/7. No single person has complete control, which means even if one person gets compromised, your crypto is still untouchable. Alright guys, now let's talk about a hidden gem that a lot of beginners don't know about: staking directly from your crypto wallet. This is one of those features that can really make a difference in how you manage and grow your crypto assets. Many people think that to earn from their crypto, they need to trade actively or invest in complex financial products. But staking offers a simpler, more passive way to grow your holdings. You see that staking button right there? Yeah, that's not just some random feature. It's a gateway to earning more from your existing crypto. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially participating in the network's operations, helping to validate transactions and secure the network. In return, you get rewarded with more crypto. It's a win-win situation. It's like a built-in money-making machine. Staking is like putting your crypto to work for you. Instead of just letting it sit idle in your wallet, you can make it generate returns. Think of it as earning interest on a savings account, but often with much higher returns. The more you stake, the more you can potentially earn. You lock it up for a certain period, and in return, you earn passive income in the form of more crypto. The duration for which you lock your assets can vary. Some wallets offer flexible staking options where you can withdraw your staked assets anytime, while others might require you to lock them for a fixed period. The key is to choose a staking option that aligns with your investment goals and liquidity needs. It's like having your money work for you 24/7. Waking up every day knowing that your crypto is earning for you even while you sleep is a great feeling. This is the beauty of staking. It provides a steady stream of income without the need for constant monitoring or active management. You can focus on other things while your crypto does the heavy lifting. Earning a 5%, 10%, or even higher annual return on your crypto just by holding it in your wallet is possible. These returns can vary based on the cryptocurrency you stake and the staking platform you use. Some platforms offer higher returns for longer staking periods, while others might provide bonuses for staking larger amounts. It's important to compare different options to maximize your earnings. That's the power of staking, and many wallets offer this feature built in. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Most modern crypto wallets have user-friendly interfaces that make staking as simple as a few clicks. Whether you're using a desktop wallet, a mobile app, or a hardware wallet, the process is usually straightforward. Just look for the staking option, select the amount you want to stake, and confirm the transaction. No need to go through complex exchanges or third-party platforms. It's all right there at your fingertips. This convenience is one of the main reasons why staking directly from your wallet is becoming increasingly popular. You maintain full control over your assets, and you don't have to worry about the security risks associated with transferring your crypto to external platforms. But remember, not all cryptocurrencies are stakeable, so do your research before you jump in. Some coins use different consensus mechanisms that don't support staking. For example, Bitcoin uses proof of work, which involves mining rather than staking. Make sure to check if the coin you hold supports staking and what the specific requirements are. Look for coins that use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana. These coins are designed to support staking, and they often offer attractive rewards for participants. Each of these networks has its own staking rules and reward structures, so it's worth taking the time to understand how they work and what you can expect in terms of returns. These are usually your best bets for staking. By choosing well-established coins with strong networks, you can minimize risks and maximize your potential earnings. So, if you're looking to grow your crypto portfolio without the hassle of active trading, give staking a try. It's a smart, efficient way to make your crypto work harder for you. So there you have it, guys. Mind-blowing crypto wallet secrets revealed. We've delved deep into the intricacies of how these digital vaults operate, and now it's time to put that knowledge to good use. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how these digital vaults work, the different types available, and the incredible features they offer. From hot wallets to cold wallets and everything in between, we've covered it all. The various interfaces and options might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, each type of wallet serves a unique purpose. Whether it's the convenience of a mobile wallet or the security of a hardware wallet, there's something for everyone. But remember, knowledge without action is useless. It's easy to get caught up in the learning phase and forget to take the necessary steps to secure your assets. Don't just let this information sit idle in your brain. The crypto world is dynamic and ever-changing, and the sooner you act, the better positioned you'll be to take advantage of new opportunities. It's time to take action and secure your crypto future. Start by setting up your wallet, securing your private keys, and familiarizing yourself with the security features. The crypto world is moving fast, and you don't want to be left behind. Every day, new technologies and innovations are emerging, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. So whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast, there's always something new to learn and explore. The key is to stay curious and keep pushing forward. Take the steps I've outlined today to level up your wallet game. Upgrade your security measures, explore different wallet options, and stay informed about the latest trends and updates in the crypto space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to make informed decisions. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all the latest tips, tricks, and insights that can help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency, so you don't miss out on any future crypto tips and tricks. Turn on those notifications to be the first to know when new content drops. And hey, why not share this video with your friends and family? The more people who understand the power of crypto, the stronger our community becomes. Let's spread the crypto knowledge and empower everyone to take control of their financial future.